lesson is 10.4 homework in Go Math. The title is Classify Quadrilaterals. Now let's pay close attention to the directions because these will help us through these problems here. It says classify each figure as many ways as possible. Write quadrilateral, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square. So automatically these are all going to be called what? Quadrilateral because they have four sides. Very good. Now we just have to think trapezoid has how many pairs of parallel lines? How many sides does a trapezoid have? Four. Well, no. How many sides of how many pairs of parallel lines does a trapezoid have? Look at your best friend if you need help. Don't just guess. One pair. Okay, one pair of parallel sides. Okay, a parallelogram has how many pair? Two pair. Okay. A rhombus has how many? Two pair, but it also has all sides are equal. That's hard to see. Are equal. And a rectangle has, everyone should be with me. Everyone should be with me. Four right angles, I'm going to do that, or a square. Okay. All right, so let's look at which number would you like to do? Number two. Let's look at that. Okay, first of all, it's a quadrilateral, so let's write that. Okay. Now, does it have at least one pair of parallel sides? So it's a what? Trapezoid. Yep, so they're saying it's a trapezoid. Does it have two pair of parallel sides? Does it have two pair of parallel sides? No. Well, we've got this one and we have this one. So do we have two pair of parallel sides? Yeah, so it's a parallelogram. Okay. Are all sides equal? No, so it's not a rhombus. Does it have all sides are right angles? Yeah, so it's a, oh, hold on. It's a rectangle. Okay. Can it be a square? No. No, because not all sides are equal. So those are all the names for number two. Okay, let's look at number 5. Alan drew a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. So it's for sure a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Yes, say it with me. All sides are equal. Oh, so it's either a what? Or a rhombus. Okay. None of the angles are right angles. Oh, did we just find out what it is? Yeah. What is it? Oh, what is it? Only 2 can have all equal sides. It's a square or a rhombus. But none of the sides are right angles, so it has to be a rhombus. Yes, very good. A rhombus. All right, so let's just talk through number 7. Draw and label an example of each type of quadrilateral. You need to draw a trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square. You have a little box right there. Do also label it so we know. Okay, ready and go.